How to withdraw funds from your Kucoin account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw funds from your Kucoin account. So in that case, make sure that your account is verified, and then to begin with, you're going to log into your Kucoin account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So to withdraw funds from your Kucoin account, you need to navigate to the withdrawal section from the home page, or you could just go ahead and press on the three button located right at the bottom. So here you need to go and locate the withdraw button, and when you have done that, next what you need to do is you just have to go ahead and select the exact amount of funds that you wish to withdraw, and enter in the destination where you're actually withdrawing all that. And when you've actually done that, you'll have successfully withdraw funds from your Kucoin account. So that is how you can go ahead and withdraw funds from your Kucoin account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.